how to make your TikTok account private. So if you want to switch from public TikTok account to a private TikTok account, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to make your TikTok account private, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the TikTok app on your phone. So this could be on your Android and it could be on your iPhone. So go ahead and open the TikTok app. Once you open the TikTok app, go ahead and click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then hang on for your TikTok profile page to open. Once it opens, click on the menu icon at the top right. Then you should see your TikTok menu comes up just like this. Now go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Once you've selected settings and privacy, locate account. Then under account, locate privacy and click on it. Now once you selected privacy, locate discoverable under privacy and then click on private account. With a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. Now, to make your TikTok account private, just go ahead and turn this on. And then hang on, then you see the private function on TikTok turned on. Now, your TikTok account is now private. So that is basically how to make your TikTok account private. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.